It was a gloomy day in a small, quiet town. The economy was struggling and everyone was buried in debt. Everyone was living on credit with no cash to spare. Suddenly, a wealthy traveler arrives at the local hotel. He places a $100 bill on the desk as a deposit. The hotel owner runs to the butcher to pay his debt. The butcher rushes to the pig farmer to clear his debt. The farmer settles his bill at the feed and fuel store. The shopkeeper pays the hotel owner for an old room debt. The traveler takes back his $100 and leaves the town. Money doesn't need to be created, it needs to circulate. The market logic, the lesson. In economics, this is called the velocity of money. It's not just about how much money exists in an economy, but how fast it moves from one person to another. When money stays still, the economy dies. When money moves, it creates value and clears debt, even if the physical bill eventually leaves the system. Hope this story gave you a new perspective on the market. As this is my first ever video, I'm constantly learning and improving. If you enjoyed this style of storytelling, please hit the subscribe button and share this video. Let's build this community together. Stay tuned for more market logic.